Today we are going to model this chair from the scratch. As you can see, this is a chair we are going to model today from the scratch, step by step. This is good even for beginners, even for those intermediate, even for those who are gurus. We got to add a cube like this. Then we are going to scale it on the z-axis. Okay, scale it just like that on the z-axis. Now we see the cube is looking good. You are creating the shape of the chair. Then we are going to select this shape of the chair. We are going to go into edit mode like this. Okay, now I'll add some loop cuts in here. As you can see, I'll add some loop cuts in here. As you can see, 5 loop cuts over there, they have been added. Okay, what I'm trying here to do, I'm trying to make a shape of a chair. So I will go up here and then to face selection mode, and I will click right here. Then I will go to the side mode, the right mode here. Then I will press E to extrude on the z-axis. Okay, I will extrude it on the z-axis just like this. Then I will press G and bend it a little on the y-axis just like that. I think that is enough. That is our chair, as you can see over there. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select these parts over here, these parts over here, and then extrude them a little bit, just like that, to add some geometry down there. Okay, then after there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some loop cuts on the lower part. So I'm going to press Ctrl R and add some loop cuts just like this. You see, there is a loop cuts added. As you can see, we have added some loop cuts on the bottom part so that you can get the place to extrude those legs. Okay, we're going to face selection mode there. We select these faces. Then I go like this and I will extrude on the z-axis. Okay, I think that is enough. Now when you come this way, you see the chair, the shape of the chair is good. Go to object mode, you see the face of the chair is very good. Okay, now let's go back to edit mode. Like that, you want to create this shape right here. Want to put something which will be pleasant to look. So what am I going to do? I'm going to add some loop cuts in here like this. Okay, I think that is enough. So after adding some loop cuts, I'm going to select the faces. So I go to face selection mode. I will select these faces over here. I will select these faces over here, these faces over here, and these faces over here. Then I will press X to delete them, just like that. Then I will go to the back side. I will select these faces over here, these faces over here, these faces over here, these faces over here. Then I'll press X to delete these faces. So what am I going to do next? What I'm going to do next, I want to fill these gaps. You see there are gaps in here because I've deleted some faces, so there are gaps. So I will take my time and fix these gaps. So what I will do, I'll just be selecting this. I'll go to edge selection mode and I'll select these parts in here. As you can see, I will select these parts in here, select these parts in here and fill. I will select these parts in here, select these parts in here and fill. Okay, I will select these parts in here, these parts and fill. I will select these parts in here, I'll select these parts in here and fill. Okay, then I come to select the upper parts like this. I've now selected correctly, so I will select these parts here, as you can see, and fill them just like that. So what next? I'll just press Shift and Alt and be filling these parts. Shift Alt, filling these parts, and be filling these parts. I'll select Shift Alt, select these parts over here and fill them. Okay, it's filled already, so I'll select this part here and fill it. See, I'll select this part here and fill it. While holding Alt, select this part here and fill it. Okay, select this part here and fill it. I'll select this part here and fill it. Now we have finished. You might have the other way, which is first to fill those gaps. You will feed any way you see fit, but I think now everything is good. Our shape is good. Our shape is complete. So what am I going to do? I'm going to select all of it. Then I'm going to press Control B to activate the bevel tool. Then I will press 0.01 to activate the bevel. Then I will click. Okay, now we have this segment 0.01. I think this is good for us. Then I will go back to object mode to see how it looks. Now I think it looks very good. Okay, I will try to add a subdivision modifier to see how it looks. Okay, I will go here to the spanner to add modifier. While selecting the object, go here, add modifier, subdivision modifier. Okay, now it is added to level 2. There it is added. Now we see it is very smooth. It is very smooth. It is good and very smooth. So what do? We click the object, we right click, then we shade smooth. You see our object is very good, as you can see. So I'll go to the front view over here, then I want to put it in this place over here, you see, so it can be seen perfectly. You see, now our chair is complete. This is very simple chair. A beginner can make it, no mistakes. Any beginner can make this chair if you follow the procedure that I've followed. Is very simple. Anyone can make it even in sleep. Okay, now what I will do, I will apply a subdivision. Okay, it is already applied, as you can see. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add the material. So the material is already in here. I will just choose it, the material. Okay, we go to material preview mode and see this is our material. Okay, I don't think this is looking good. Let me add some other materials which are here. This material is very good. As you can see, our chair is very complete. So what do we do here? I want it to be seen perfectly, to the reflection to be seen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a plane in here. Go to mesh, add a plane, scale it 7 times, as you can see. Okay, I count this way, put it at the top a bit on Z axis, then I'll select this here at the bottom, this here at the bottom, I'll select it, then I'll press G to move it to the top a little bit so that we can see it clearly. You see, now our object is coming to shape. Okay, I'll click this, I'll go to edit mode so that I don't want you to see this, so I go to edit mode, I'll extrude it on X axis, this one I will extrude it on Z axis, I mean. Okay, I will extrude also this on Z axis, just like that. Now you see we have our shape right here. Okay, this is our shape, very good, very perfect. As you can see, it is good. You can even sit here. So I think our chair is complete. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, which are going to come every week. Every week we're going to release a new video for you. So be prepared and subscribe and like. Ciao.